So for this next one, we want to do is we want to solve this equation. Now, when I'm looking at it, it looks really scary, right? But since there's no tens or anything that ends in zeros, I know right off the bat I'm going to be using the natural log. So what does that mean? That means I need to take the natural log of both sides to get started. So I'm going to have the natural log of 3 to the 2x minus 1 equals the natural log of 7x plus 1. So now I think it looks a little bit better. Of course, you know, it's always going to have to look worse before it can look great. So if I have an exponent, remember we're going to take each one of those exponents and we're going to bring it out in front. So now that I've drawn that, so that's going to become 2x minus 1. The natural log of 3 equals x plus 1, the natural log of 7. Okay, so far so good. Now, I've got to get x's all by themselves. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to distribute on each side. So this would become 2x ln of 3 minus the ln of 3 equals x ln of 7 plus the natural log of 7. Okay, I'm making progress, right? Now I've got x's hanging out and I've got just regular terms hanging out. So let's get all of our x's on one side. So I'm going to actually subtract x ln 7 from both sides. And then I'm also going to add ln of 3 to both sides. Now when we do this, be very careful. Remember, if something doesn't look exactly the same, you cannot combine it. So those cancel. Oh, yes. And these cancel. So this is going to be 2x ln 3 minus x ln 7 equals ln 7 plus ln 3. Now, on the left-hand side, what do I notice? Well, I notice that they both have an x in common, so I want to factor that out, and that gives me 2 ln 3 minus ln 7. And I still have the same thing on the other side. So as with all good long problems, I've run out of room. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that up here at the top again. So I've got 2 ln 3 minus ln 7. Hopefully you're working on a sheet of paper and then you can just write stuff to kingdom come. Now if I want to get x all by itself, now I need to divide both sides by everything else. So I'm going to divide both by 2 ln 3 minus ln 7. So that's going to just give me x, because remember anything over itself is 1. And that's going to equal to the ln of 7 plus the ln of 3 all over 2 ln 3 minus ln 7. So that's our final answer. Now, what if you have to write down and actually give the approximation? So it's the same thing. You're going to do it on your calculator, and I want you to do that right now, and then come back and check your answer. So when you did your calculation, you should have come up with approximately 12.11.